In this video we are going to be checking if a point is inside, on or outside a circle. So as you can see in these three diagrams here, we have three circles with the centre clearly labelled, and then we have a point inside the circle, on the circle, and a point outside the circle. Okay, each of these points are joined with the centre. Okay. To check if a point is on, inside or outside a circle, we simply sub the values in for x and y, and if it is less than the radius squared, it's inside. If it's equal to the radius squared, it's on, and if it's greater than the radius squared, it is outside. Okay, the best way to do this is by practicing. So it says here, are the points 1 minus 3, 3 minus 2, and 5 minus 4 inside, outside, or on the circle x squared plus y squared equals 13. So all we're going to do here is we're going to take the first point 1 minus 3 and we're going to label it x and y, and once we've done that we're going to sub it into the equation of the circle. So the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared equals 13. So everywhere we have an x we're going to put 1, and everywhere we have a y we're going to put 3. So as we know, 1 squared is 1 and minus 3 squared is 9. We can all agree that it's not 1 plus 9 is not equal to 13. So 1 plus 9 is actually 10, and we know that that is less than 13. Okay, and if we go back up to the top here, if the left hand side is less than the right hand side, so if x squared plus y squared is less than the radius squared, the point is inside the circle. So this point is inside. Next up we're checking is 3 minus 2, inside, on or outside the circle. Okay, so again we're labelling x and y and we're subbing it into the equation. So the equation is x squared plus y squared equals 13, and everywhere we have an x we're going to put 3, and everywhere we have a y we are going to put minus 2. Okay, so we know that 3 squared is 9 and minus 2 squared is 4. And look, as you can see here, 13 is in fact equal to 13. So because we have that x squared plus y squared equals the radius squared, then we have that this is on the circle. Okay, and lastly, we have the point 5 minus 4. Okay, we're going to check if that is on the circle. X squared plus y squared, equals 13. So again, we're going to label x and y, and sub in 5 for x and minus 4 for y. So 5 squared is 25, minus 4 squared is 16. It's definitely not equal to 13, so we can say that much. But, so it is greater, so 25 plus 16 is actually greater than 13, and because it's greater than, we can say that it's outside. Okay. If we just revisit the start of the video, I've given two formulas here, and the reason I have is if the centre is 0, 0, we use this formula, and if the centre is not 0, 0, we use the longer formula. Okay. So in this third example here, this last example, it says determine if 3 minus 4 is on, inside or outside the circle x plus 1 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 1. Okay, so this circle does not have centre 0, 0 as opposed to the last question because it has a number added to the x and y. Okay, but we treat it the exact same. We're going to start off by labelling the points x and y, and everywhere we have an x in the equation we're going to sub in 3, and everywhere we have a y we're going to sub in minus 4. Okay, so here we have 3 plus 1 squared plus y is minus 4 plus 4 squared, and that's equal to 1. Okay, simplifying this a little bit, 3 plus 1 is 4, and minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Okay, as you can see, 4 squared is 16, and 0 squared is 0, so we don't need to write that down. We can agree that that's not equal to 1, but it is in fact greater than 1, so we can say that that point is outside the circle because it's greater than the radius squared.